What's going on, my people? Today we are here at the Orlando Premium Outlets here on International Drive. About to take a step inside the Levi's outlet, see what they have for us today. All right. See, we got a bunch of signs. It says spend 100, get 20% off. Spend 150, get 30% off. Spend 200, get 40% off. So the more you spend, the bigger the promo. All right, we're gonna head to the back first. Check out some jeans. Let's see if I see. Oh, I see a nice little rack already. In the clearance section, they got shorts for $9, and they have a whole bunch of flannels here, long sleeve, take an additional 50% off. Gonna grab a couple of them first, see what this pricing is looking like. Actually, this is a heavyweight one too. Zip up. This is nice, and this is $102.98. And take an additional 50% off. So remember, nothing is marked down yet. So whatever the tag price is, we take the additional percentage off of that. All right, let me check out this blue one. I like this blue one. It's button down, got a little heavy quilted pattern on it. This is a size large, and it says 118. So it's $118. Like the pockets on this. This is nice. Let me get a better angle. Yeah, this is dope. 118, and you take an additional 50% off of that. You got a hooded flannel right here. This is $54.98. Alright, cool. That's not bad. Let me see what this jacket looks like. Alright, got this jacket down. This one is, can't really get a good look on the price. It's $74.98. Okay, I think that's what that says, $74.98. It got that vintage style to it. It's a big jacket though. What size is this? Oh, it's an XL. It's oversized. This is dope. Put this back down here. Check out some of these shorts. These nice camo shorts. These are $24.98. Well, it says $9.99 actually. So I'm not sure if you can see. The sign says $9.99. I'm assuming that's for all of these shorts. Might have to ask a question, and they have this olive green right here too. These say $19.98. And there's a few different colors. Then we have this table, same thing, table, all men's tees, same promo. No individual promo, just spend 100, get 20, 150, 30. Same thing I just described a minute ago. We got some 527s, some slim boot cuts. Let's see, it's another clearance rack right here though. Just from behind me. A nice denim jacket. $84.98. Same thing, take an additional 50% off. All clearance. Got a nice vest. This is $73.98. Got a little shirtling on the collar. This is heavy though. This is $73.98. Once again, you take an additional 50% off. What else we got? What else we got? Oh, this jacket is super fly. This jacket is dope. This is $88.98. Got embroidered in the back. Nice embroidered details. Levi's Premium Quality Clothing. This is nice. But this is a 2X. Damn, I'm surprised the original price was only $98, but it's down to $88.98, and you take an additional 50% off. Got some jeans. Got some cargos here. These are different. These are $29.98. $30. Twisted baggy. Okay. Then right behind me again, we got the Denim Mall. We got some 541 athletic tapered, as they call these. So you got a Levi's Stretch Flex. These are all regular price right now. So, like I said, you don't get a promo until you spend your first $100 right now. And these are $74.95. So, not too much of a promo right now, but still some good stuff around. Got some 502s. 502s are, let me grab a nice denim. 502s are $74.95. Yeah, I think all the jeans are $74.95 for the most part, unless they're marked down. This caught my eye. This looks cool. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. This is 512. Got a dope painted design on here. I like this, like a dry paint. And these are, let me see, this is a different price. These are $74.95. Once again, real cool style. I like the style on these. See, this is something that I keep my eye on for when I double back, when hopefully promo is going on next time, and pick those up. Okay, now we're on the other side of where they had the clearance rack. Got some more jackets here. I like this color. This color on this is a real nice color. It's like a goldish, rusty kind of color. This jacket is $89.95. No promo, it's regular priced. Got nice indigo. Vintage style? Yeah, man. Yeah, thank you, man. Like a vintage style. Once again, they have it in this indigo, and they have it in white. They didn't have a price tag on this one, and it's $89.50. And they have this white here, $89.50 also. And see, we got some, take a look at something different back here. We got some chinos back here. You know I'm going to the earth tones first. These kind of packed in. I ain't gonna take one down, I'm sorry. These, I could tell, I'm gonna just look at the price though. These are, take out. These are $74.95. I like these chinos. They're putting out a lot of stuff right now. Check out this bomber jacket. Yeah, the jacket is on the rack. They're about to put out. I like this. Love this rust color. This is $118. $118 for the jacket. And then they have it in black also. Oh, the black with the orange inside. And this is light. This is pretty light. This is nice. But we in Florida, we going out of season for this, but this is the time to buy at 118. All right, y'all. So the promo for this weekend, they start their promos on Thursday for the weekend. So everything is, you spend 100, you get 20% off, and all the clearance is additional 50% off. Okay, but we do have some baggy 578s. These are all 40 bucks. You know, baggies are back in. I'm starting to really go heavy on, not too baggy, but you know what I mean, just a little looser than the straight cuts. But more baggier with the cargos. I think I have like one pair of actual baggy jeans though. I do need to pick up a pair. I like this wash though. These are nice. I just seen something that I was thinking about. I don't know why. I'm kind of drawn to them, but when I was younger, I never wore pants like this, but I don't know. I'm starting to feel these right now. The baggy cargos, and there's the double cargo too. I like this pair a lot. This pair is dope. And these are $74.95, like everything else. Then you got the wash black. I like this color too though. But this stone wash is smooth. I like these baggy cargos. I don't know, I might try a pair. I might end up getting a pair. Alright, we got a little pullover right here. Gray. Same thing, pullover in the camo. These are $59.95. Okay, we got some shorts here. Some denim slim shorts. Nah, I don't know about that. These are $54.95. Cut off shorts. Another little jacket right here. I don't know, like I said, we're in Florida, man. We out of jacket season, but this is the time to actually get it while they're out of season or going out of season. $99.95, and then you also have it in a light khaki. I like the feel on this. It's like a denim jacket, a denim work jacket. It's nice. Yeah. Got a few more different style of baggy cargos here. It's a camo, olive. I recently picked up a pair of olive cargos, somewhat of this style. You'll see that video coming soon from where I got them from. And these are all, let's see the price again. These are $74.95 once again. Come back here, more cargos. Got some crew necks here. I think this is a clearance rack. Let me look on the front. Nope, this is not a clearance rack. It's all regular price, but got some crew necks. Levi's original. I don't see the price tag on this one. Okay, here's another one. $54.95. Check this table out up front. It's got some tops. It says $54.95. Got some floral prints. Good golf shorts. I'm actually wearing a t-shirt this same color right now. How much is the t-shirt? How much is the tee? $29.95 for the tee. Actually, I want to take out one of these jackets that it has the denim ones on the other side. I like these 4 pockets. $128. This is dope. Let me show off a couple more pair of shorts. We got some more cargo shorts here. These are regular price. These are $54.95. And there's a few colors. There's a khaki, a camo, and a black. All right, y'all, that's it for the Levi's outlet here at Orlando International Drive Premium Outlets. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that hype button. After you hit that like button, it helps to promote my videos and get them out to a wider audience.